If you've ever lain in bed scrolling your phone because your room just doesn't feel restful, this one's for you, because a peaceful night's rest starts with a calm and cozy space. Hi friends, welcome back to week 3 of our October Nights series. So far we've set up cozy movie nights and evening relaxation spots, and this week we're heading into the most important space of all, our bedroom. You know that feeling when you walk into a hotel room and instantly feel like you could sleep for days? That's not just the vacation vibes. It's the calm, and we're going to create that feeling in your own bedroom. Let's be honest, when life gets busy, the bedroom can easily turn into a catch-all. Clothes pile up, surfaces get cluttered, and suddenly your space for rest feels more like a storage zone. But here's the thing, the way your bedroom feels at night really does affect how well you sleep. And here's what might surprise you. Creating a sleep sanctuary isn't about buying more things or doing a big makeover. Sometimes it's actually about removing what's getting in the way of your rest. The clutter, the harsh lighting, the visual noise. It's about clearing space for calm. So today I want to share a few small changes you can make to create a true sleep sanctuary, even in the tiniest rooms. Tip 1. Keep surfaces simple. Nightstands, dressers, even window ledges. These are the first things you see when you climb into bed. If they're covered in stuff, your brain registers to-do list instead of time to relax. Try limiting surfaces to just a lamp, maybe a book, and 1 or 2 calming touches, like a candle or a plant. The less visual noise, the easier it is to wind down. Here's a quick test. Stand in your bedroom doorway and count how many piles you see. Clothes pile, book pile, random stuff pile. Each one is a tiny stress signal. The goal isn't perfection, it's peace. So maybe tonight just tackle one surface. Clear your nightstand completely, then add back only what serves your rest. Tip 2. Choose lighting for rest. Bright, cool-toned light can trick your body into thinking it's still daytime. Switch to warmer bulbs or use lamps instead of overhead lights in the evening. A soft golden glow signals your brain that it's time to slow down. Here's the science in simple terms. Blue and bright light suppresses melatonin, the sleepy hormone. Warm, dim light lets your body naturally produce it. So about an hour before bed, switch to warm lamps only. Your body will thank you. Tip 3. Hide the clutter. This is where multifunctional furniture really shines. Under bed drawers, storage benches at the foot of your bed, or a nightstand with hidden compartments. Let you keep what you need close by without the chaos on display. Out of sight, out of mind truly helps when you're trying to fall asleep. Most of our beds at Tiny Oasis Decor are designed with extra storage and cubbies just for this purpose. Think of it this way. Out-of-season clothes, extra bedding, shoes you don't wear daily, those don't need to be visible. Underbed storage lets you claim the floor space while keeping everything accessible. And when your floor is clear, your whole room feels bigger and more breathable. Tip 4. Add a nighttime ritual. A sanctuary isn't just about the look, it's about how it makes you feel. Think about one small ritual you can do in your space each night. Maybe it's writing down tomorrow's to-dos so your mind is clear, stretching for 5 minutes, or sipping tea while you dim the lights. That simple routine in a calm environment helps signal to your body it's bedtime. Tip 5. Create a simple color story. You don't need to redecorate, but notice the feeling of your color palette. Are there a lot of bright, energizing colors staring at you? Bedrooms generally feel more restful with softer, more muted tones. If you love color, that's great. Just maybe save the neon throw pillows for the living room and keep bedroom accents calming. Think warm neutrals, soft blues, gentle greens, or dusty autumn tones. I'll be honest, my bedroom used to be where I dumped everything at the end of the day, and I wondered why I couldn't fall asleep. Now, even on my messiest days, I try to do a 60-second bedroom reset before bed. It's not about perfection, it's about giving yourself a fighting chance at rest. And the best part? None of this requires a huge bedroom or expensive makeover. Just a few thoughtful choices can transform the space you already have into a place that feels restful and inviting. If anything caught your eye and has become a must-have for your bedroom sanctuary, all the storage solutions, lighting, and calming pieces shown today are linked below. And yes, that includes those beds with built-in and storage I mentioned. While there, don't forget to join our community by signing up for the weekly newsletter. Quick question: what's the one thing in your bedroom right now that's keeping it from feeling peaceful? The pile of laundry? The harsh lighting? The cluttered nightstand? Name it in the comments. Sometimes just acknowledging it is the first step to fixing it. Next week, we'll be wrapping up this series with one of my favorites, seasonal self-care corners. Sometimes the best way to spend an October night is to create a retreat just for you. Bye-bye.